Don't freak out, it could be easy fix, but in other cases you may lose your brakes, so make sure you send to the end. We'll explain what it could be. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW model, anything from 1 series to 7 series, anything from X1 to X7. You have guys a BMW. Let's say you remove the wheel, you replaced your tires, you replaced your wheels, anything that involved removing the wheel, tire, and then after putting it together you have that grinding, scraping noise guys. Even without applying brakes you just hear that scraping noise. Stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that and how to fix it. Do not guys freak out, it could be really easy fix, but in some cases okay, we'll recommend what you need to check because it can lead to a loss of brakes as well. So make sure guys okay that you stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So what we're talking about here guys, okay, first let me come, okay, I'm going to come first to the passenger side where everything is put together still. And if you come to the passenger side, you're going to notice, okay, we have the wheel here and the stuff, right? On the back side, you can see behind the rotor, I'm talking about that device right here, you can see it on top here as well. Okay, this is known as a backing plate behind the rotor. This is a metal plate guys. That metal plate practically takes the air around the thing, but that backing plate, if you think about that plate now guys, this is very soft in some cases, and if you remove your wheel, often the wheel can actually fall on that backing plate. Okay, when it comes off the wheel hub, it will often drop, and what can happen, you can bend that backing plate. You can bend it on this side here as well, on the bottom, on the sides, anywhere. You can see that's what it looks like from the back side, and we have it here completely removed so we can show you what it looks like. But sometimes just removing the wheel can easily bend that backing plate. So what you will need to do, ours, we bent it right here a little bit. All we have to do guys, you need to straighten it, often with pliers or your fingers. It's super soft, and you can see how close it sits by the rotor, right? Just one little bitty bend and it's going to be scraping. So check for that backing plate to make sure that it's not bent. This is the number one thing that we see here at the shop. Also inspect that the ABS sensor, the wheel speed sensor and the brake pad wear sensor are not loose, that the wires are routed correctly, because that can be scraping somewhere, and that can cause problems with the brakes and the way the brakes perform. Also inspect the brake line to make sure it's not dragging somewhere too, because if you break that brake line you will be out of brakes guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions and you want to know anything specifically about BMW, leave a comment below guys. We'll be more than glad to help you make a video for your specific problem when we have time. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.